Okay. Oil.
Baking powder.
Powder.
And
Vanilla.
flour.
Flour.
Okay, let's start. We're going to mix the dry ingredients first.
Flour.
Opo, flour.
Ay, ako na. With this.
Yes. Ito muna.
Ako na may isa.
Mm-mm.
Ako na may isa.
Yan ang itong nag-bake, anak.
Ako na.
Wag. Teka, malalaglag na yan. Yun. Shoot mo na yan. Good job. Oh, another one.
Me.
Ah, sige, ito. Huwag mo lang taktakin. Enough lang yung natin natin. Sugar. Okay, careful.
Lahat na.
Salt. Tari mo yung salt. This one is salt. Baking powder. Put it.
Making soda.
Another one.
Making soda.
Okay na. Slowly lang. The next is the wet ingredients. I'll put it here in the bowl.
One here.
Yes, careful.
All
Yes po.
of this.
Opo. We're gonna use milk para masarap po.
Ito.
Dito. Oh, put mo.
One scoop of oil.
Oil.
Now we're gonna mix
The
it.
vanilla first. Vanilla.
Ako na. Scoop of vanilla.
Alright. Then the 2 eggs.
Ako na.
Oh. Another one.
Ako na. Ito na, marunong na ako.
Dito sa cup.
Okay.
Yun. Okay, mix. Okay. Oh, slowly lang.
Let's see where the egg is coming out.
Slowly lang.
Pull it off.
Yes, pour the dry to the wet ingredients. While mixing. Go. No. Wait. Just gradually. Little by little, baby. Not all. There you go. Just wait. Let me mix it first.
And I will with it with my finger.
Alright, good job.
No, I'm gonna mix it. Ako na.
It's your turn.
Slowly now.
Mix it well, and slowly.
Wow, this is gonna be yummy.
Of course. We can make a filling, yema filling. So we can make it to yema cake.
Yama?
Yes, yema. It's sweet.
Mommy,
Go,
make
continue
tayo
mixing.
cake sa my friends ko.
Okay. So we're going to, we'll be needing the white, right?
Yeah.
So you have to be careful that there's no red. Because it will not get fluffy. Oh, careful.
Look at my sticky hands here.
You got sticky hands? Just wait, another one.
Okay, me. Okay, me.
One. Careful, they're very careful. Oh no! Ay! Nalalaglag na. Sabi ko sa'yo, bawal eh. Bawal. Wait, this one.
Mommy. Uy, ako na dyan.
Dito, pisik. Kasi yung mga buto niya White. the butter into the white
Fluffy.
eggs. Yes, fluffy white eggs. Go.
Lahat.
Let's go.
Here.
Yes, and you have to mix it very slow. Like this, like this one. Like this. Okay. Naglagay po tayo ng paper dun sa ating molder, which is heart shape. And nalagay na natin yung ating mixture. Wow! This is gonna be heart shape. Wow! This looks so good! Like what we did. There you go. Okay, so we're going to put it in the oven na. Can you do it?
No.
So I preheated the oven for 180 degrees as usual, and we're going to
Mommy,
put
let me watch.
our heart shape.
Mommy, let me watch. A minute.
Woo! So we're going to wait until it's cooked or it's
It's 10
done. See if it's already done. So, alright, it's done. What a perfect heart shape. And it's very soft. Ooh, fluffy and soft. Wait lang natin lumamig and then we're going to taste it.
Guys, here's my cake. It's already. It's fluffy. Tasty.
Yummy? Can I try it too? Can you give me some? Tina, can you give me? Mmm. Too fluffy. Jay, baby na.